Welcome to Block 7. Today we're exploring F House, a modern summer retreat designed by Gianserra Lima Arquitectos. Located in the coastal resort town of Cariló, Argentina, this home spans 184 square meters, completed in 2014, and was beautifully documented by architectural photographer Luis Barandiaran. F House is situated on a corner lot measuring 20 by 50 meters. One of the primary challenges of its design was preserving an old pine tree, an integral element of the landscape, while minimizing the home's maintenance requirements. This house was envisioned as a flexible and comfortable vacation space for its owners, with a program divided into two main areas. The upper floor houses the main suite, designed to operate independently. Meanwhile, the ground floor features two bedrooms intended for children and guests, ensuring maximum comfort and adaptability. Public spaces like the dining area, kitchen, central patio, and outdoor gallery were carefully designed to foster a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. The house adopts a U-shaped floor plan, with its main spaces oriented inward toward the central patio and a gallery that connects to the rear of the lot. This layout creates a transparent flow, offering uninterrupted views across the entire property. F House emphasizes continuity between indoor and outdoor spaces through expansive glass panels and large covered galleries. These areas provide a sheltered yet open environment for the residents to enjoy the surrounding natural beauty. The primary material used in this home is concrete, with textures varying by function. On the ground floor, the concrete features vertical textures that add a bold character. The upper floor employs horizontal textures for contrast, while the ceilings are smooth, creating a sense of lightness. The choice of materials reflects the architect's design philosophy. Simple, volume try with pure lines, a timeless and understated design language, and meticulous attention to detail, both in the overall structure and its smaller components. F House is a stunning example of modern architecture that balances function and aesthetics seamlessly. Through its intelligent layout, thoughtful use of materials, and harmonious connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, this house is the perfect summer getaway that embodies comfort and flexibility. What do you think of this design? Are there any elements that inspire your dream home? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Block 7 for more home design inspiration. See you in the next video.